What is your take on that term, cultural revival?
Well, um, uh, it's funny. It's funny. It's. I think generally, we think of not not that there was we were reviving it exactly. I think that it's kind of an inaccurate to describe what happened with the interest in Klezmer, and Yiddish culture as being a revival exactly, but I think that it was more more like a resuscitation. It wasn't like it was completely dead or something. But we did, we were picking up a thread. Um, we were picking up a thread. Um, I think kind of the biggest shame as a singer is that the kind of like lineage of transmission and connection between um, a Jewish daily life and the language and singing has been lost outside of the Hasidic community, and I think that that's like a huge tragedy. I when it's like in really any culture, including the Hasidic world, it's like you can. Who are the great fado singers? Who are the great Tex-Mex singers? Who are the great Hasidic singers? It's like you can go boom 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 boom. When you come to the Yiddish world, it's like there aren't. There are much fewer, and there is this disconnection between daily life and singing, and that's something that I don't think can ever be revived or resuscitated. I don't think it's possible, and that's really kind of a tragedy. I mean, it's a song, as a song that we do with with Woody Guthrie's lyrics is I'm going to get through this world the best I can. It's like I can do what I can do, but that's about it. And I really as I've sort of looked at it. It's one of the things that kind of bugs me the most is that we lost that particular connection, and all the singers that I could look up to, were people who grew up speaking Yiddish, who grew up in places where everyone spoke Yiddish and everyone went to shul and everyone sang, and so that's I just wanted to say that.